Good morning, YouTube. Alright, you guys, I'm headed to work now. I still have to work even on the holidays, but after I get off today, you know, it's in the process of Friendsgiving. You guys do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with all you kids. Party starts once I get off. I gotta make a turkey for the first time. I'm pretty excited. So, you know, hopefully my friends will help me out with this turkey. Ain't that right, you guys?
Yep. We got a pastry chef over here making our cookies or something.
What you making for us? Cookies. I'm excited. I hope it's got some icing on it.
Hey,
I gotta go run some errands last minute to get stuff for Friendsgiving, you know. This will be fun with my friends. We're all good chefs. Well, most of us. What you mean it's frozen?
It's not opening!
I'm gonna try to get it open. Let's see.
There we go.
How hard was that?
No, we just wanted you to open it.
Oh, fuck. Man, this snow's so bad. Look at this. And this was from this morning.
I think left the cookie. So yeah, we can leave the light clamp in.
Thanksgiving's less than 24 hours, and I figure it's probably the perfect time to get it working while I'm at work as well. Damn, y'all, check out how big this turkey is. Thing's huge. I'm sorry, I'm done with this vlog for today. In about approximately 24 hours from now, my house will be filled with my classmates, my coworkers, my colleagues, my friends, coworkers. So, you know, this Friendsgiving, I'm hoping for it to be a success. It's all of ours, Thanksgiving away from home, away from our families. So you guys just be on the lookout for the next vlog. Continue to like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel with all your peers.
What, beep, beep.